Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check locations of photos on your iPhone. Before I begin with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for $1 your first month. So what you have to do is open up your photos, and for example, let's say I want to know where this video or photo is the same, where was it taken. If I were to just go from bottom to up, it's going to open up these like more informations. As you can see, since this one was saved from WhatsApp, it doesn't show me the location. But for example, this picture, if I were to scroll down, you can see this is the location. You can always tap on it and see much more of it. If you go back and you can scroll down, you will see these like places right over here. You can click on places, and then it's going to show you all of the pictures wherever you have been in the world. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.